Hey Libra, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. I do feel like for some of you guys, this person from the past, y'all don't be trying to shoot the messenger, okay? Listen, I know some of y'all are over like, I'm tired of this. But I have to put it out there because there are people, you know, waiting for this person, not physically waiting, but you know what I'm saying? Like, you're waiting to hear from this person, but yeah, I do feel like somebody's coming back. Somebody's coming back, and they want to spend the holidays with you. So, maybe take you on a trip. For those that, you know, you're like, I'm done with this person, I'm moving on. Okay, cool. But they do want you to stay optimistic about your love life because a lot of you guys, I am picking up that y'all are over it. You just looking at everybody at this point like, you know what? No one is good. You know, everybody's playing games. You know, so they just want you to stay optimistic because, you know, something is coming in good for you. Even for those that, you know who your person is, they're coming back. Won't you stay optimistic? But let's see what's going on. Oh, my, can we shuffle here? Hold on, y'all. I don't know what's been going on, but I've been struggling a little bit today. So, y'all gotta give me a second, because I'm telling y'all, my cards feel funny. My reading, no, just hold on. Okay, Libra, one more, let me see. Okay. I mean, when I tell y'all the cards just, like, feel heavy, or I don't know how to explain it. It just felt weird. So, let's just see what's going on with you guys. Okay, so, bottom of the deck, you have the 8 of Cups reversed. So, this is telling me that, yeah, somebody doesn't want you to walk away from them. Look at y'all rolling your eyes already. Okay, anyway, somebody is definitely dealing with another air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. I'm telling y'all, this person doesn't want you to walk away. They don't want you to cut them off. This person is back. They're coming back. Y'all like, you know what, then yeah, I'm tired of you. Okay, anyway, but yeah, this person doesn't want you to cut them off. And at this point, I feel like they were really in their head. You know, they were worried because they felt like they were going to lose you. And now I feel like this person's trying to rush in. Somebody's coming out of being frustrated here. And it could be you, Libra, coming out of being frustrated about the situation. Yeah, somebody's coming out of worrying about it. Oh, that's too many cards. No. Let's see. Yeah, somebody's coming out of worrying about it. But at the end of the day, there's no communication here. Communication's coming in really slow. Why is that? Clarify the 8 of Wands reverse, please. Because somebody right now, I feel like they're back and forth whether or not they want to have a victory. Libra, it could be you. What is with all these cards coming out? Hold on, let me look. Something said keep them. Alright, I'm going to keep them. Lord, I told y'all, like, them cards felt kind of heavy. What is happening, Libra? Okay. So, communication is coming in slow because at the end of the day, I do feel like this person wants a victory with you, but they're starting to feel like it may not happen due to the fact that, one, they weren't taking the initiative before to fix things with you. Two, they could have been a player. So some of you guys could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but this person wants to come in to give you an offer at this point. But they move so damn slow, they're not doing it, okay? And at this point, now they're holding back because, again, they want to tell you this, but they're not. But then it's like they're speeding up. So, Lord. This person is getting ready to rush in, y'all. They're rushing in. They want to tell you something, but they're scared that if they give you the truth, there's going to be, y'all going to argue. There's going to be a lot of conflict going on. And at this point, you know, they know that you dropped them, is what I'm kind of picking up. You just let it go. You're tired of dealing with them and their nonsense. But, yeah, some of you guys could be dealing with a Scorpio. Or if not, I just feel like this person, you're like, you don't want to have a new beginning with them. You walked away from this toxic situation because this person has been playing games with you. And you're over it. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a Capricorn. But this person just didn't down, left them right. Like, they couldn't make a decision to save their life. And did I just rhyme? Okay, anyway. But at the end of the day, I feel like this person wants to come back and they're trying to clear away obstacles to be with you. They're trying to clear away those toxic behaviors. But they're scared that if they approach you, you basically don't want anything to do with them. Like, you're pouring out their cup of love. They feel like, okay, I can't fix the situation with this person. And they're right, because you guys are looking at them like, you know what? When I look at you, I don't see security in this situation. And at this point, I'm trying to have a peace of mind about, you know, myself, my love life. Like, you just brought in chaos, you know, and drama, and I don't have time for it. So you guys are coming out of being frustrated about the situation. Why is the Six of Cups here? I mean, honestly, I feel like this is somebody from your past. Y'all know this is a general reading. Take it. Well, if it fits for your situation, this could go vice versa as well. But anyway, somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. But I do feel like maybe, okay, somebody is thinking about the past. You know, what they did to you, if they played you, you know. They're feeling guilty, right? And they really do want a commitment with you. They want that new beginning with you. But at the end of the day, they feel like they're not going to get it because they messed up. And so this is why they're back and forth. They want to come in to give you a gift. Honestly, y'all, I had to pause because I think I just did Scorpio. And yeah, somebody is like bringing gifts as a way to kind of like get back in the door. And I feel like that's going to be the same thing for Libra. Somebody's coming in trying to, you know, buy you a gift. Christmas is coming up, so maybe they could call you, hit you up and like, hey, I got a Christmas gift for you, you know, something you really want. You know, but y'all like, So, yeah, it's like 1 minute you see yourself, you know, having what it is that you want, but the next minute, like I said, y'all over it. This person stabbed you in the back one too many times. And you're like, I'm not going to give you another knife or another sword to stab me again. Look at that. You're not happy with this person. And I thought this person isn't happy because they know they hurt you. Look at that. Yep. Libra, you were the one putting in all the work in the relationship or in the situation with this individual, and they took you for granted. They didn't put in anything. They didn't do anything. And you're like, you don't deserve me. So, you know, I feel like it's like, honestly, for some of you guys, you do want a new beginning with this person, but you're kind of at the point where you're like, you know what? I'm okay if we don't have a new beginning because I'm tired of you leaving me out in the cold. But those seeds that were planted, somebody wants them to grow. Somebody wants stability here. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries too, but I feel like somebody is trying to come back and bring stability into the situation, and it's whoever messed up. But right now, they're not taking a lead. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. Why is Temperance here? Maybe they're trying to balance out the situation, but let's make sure. Yeah, somebody wants to balance out the situation, so yeah, they're getting ready to rush in fast because they feel you pulling away from them. But at the end of the day, you guys don't see anything improving, but they don't care. They're still coming back. Again, this person is persistent. They're coming back because they want to fix the situation here. They're trying to turn things around. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo, and I have an Aquarius here. So it's like 1 minute somebody, you know, has hope. Somebody's having the strength to move forward, to, you know, tell you what it is that they want. But the next minute, they don't. It's like they don't have the strength, and they're not hopeful that things can work out because they know they messed up. But at the end of the day, the truth is coming out. Somebody wants to come towards you and give you the truth. They want to apologize. Some of you guys could be dealing with another Libra. But at the end of the day, I feel like you guys are trying to look for the truth in a situation. You know, somebody wants the situation to improve, but with the Queen of Pentacles here in reverse, you guys aren't putting the time, effort, or energy into this situation, and you're focusing on yourself right now. You guys have been working on yourself. You've been healing. You've been getting your money together. You don't have time for the nonsense. You don't have time for someone who can't make up their mind or come towards you correct, you know? But somebody's still at a crossroads needing to make a decision here. Somebody is coming out of being frustrated about the situation. They're getting ready to speak up. Maybe when this person comes back, you're going to tell this person, like, you know what? I don't see myself being happy with you. I don't see us having this family like we once talked about. I don't see anything with you because you play games and I'm tired. I see you for who you you really are. Look at that back and forth energy. Like, it's like, for some of y'all, it's like y'all still want to be with this person, but at the end of the day, you're over it. You're like, you know what? I broke up with this person for a reason. I cut this person off for a reason. We're going to leave it just like that. Yeah, because it's like this person that you were dealing with, this person had other options. They were busy entertaining other individuals or just doing other things, and you didn't care for any of that. But look, they're coming back to give you this little breadcrumbs offer. Here they come. Honestly, I feel like because they know they messed up so bad, they want to start over. But you guys don't know if you can trust them. That's the problem. Somebody made a decision. They're letting go, feeling like, you know, they were sad. Feeling like something was lost here in the situation. I thought it's you guys. You guys are just letting it go. You're no longer trying to look back at what took place in the past with this person. You're trying to move forward. But this person is like not trying to let you go. And even if they're not communicating with you, y'all, honestly, y'all are picking up on their aura and their energy. Some of y'all realize it, others don't, but it's all right. Because this person is coming in, you know, some of you guys could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo here, but this person is someone who has a hard time communicating their feelings to you, or just they have a hard time talking in general. And at this point, they're isolating themselves from you. It's crazy because they want a happy home with you. So I feel like they're using their intuition. That's why I'm like, they're getting ready to come back. Look at that. The Magician in reverse with the King of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody's definitely dealing with an earth sign here, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But it is telling me that somebody is not being positive about the situation, and they're having a hard time because they're feeling like things are not improving, or they're not going to improve. Could be dealing with a Gemini, but there's definitely an imbalance here in this love connection. Oh, okay. Hold on, y'all. Let me look. See what this is. Okay. So, I feel like you guys basically don't want a new opportunity with this person. The other individual, they're coming back in, but they're scared that you're not going to give them this new opportunity. But they want to tell you the truth about what's been going on. And I feel like they're pushing their ego and their pride to the side at this point. And every day they're getting stronger because they want to tell you the truth about what's been going on. They want to tell you how they really feel. But they're in their head big time because there's a lot of anxiety with them. I really do feel like they're scared that they lost you at this point. They really want to start over and build, but they feel like you don't want anything to do with them and you're moving on. You're ready to build and go, you know, in another direction or move towards a new path. But they want to come back and start with you. Look at that. They want to come and give you communication. You know, they could have possibly put you in some type of third-party situation. And at the end of the day, maybe they want to tell you that they got out of it. Okay. Yep. Look at that. That's another 3. There was definitely some type of third party here. That was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.